Today we are going on a tour of Phuket Old Town. You must keep an extra day in Phuket just to explore this charming historic area known for its unique architecture. We visited Wat Chalong, the largest and the most visited temple complex in Phuket, on our way to the Old Town. First, we took a public bus from Patong to Karon Beach Circle for 100 baht and then shared a minivan to the temple for 20 baht. Built in the 19th century, it's a stunning example of traditional Thai Buddhist architecture. Locals come here to pray and pay respects to two highly revered monks. Entry is free, but wearing modest clothing is recommended covering shoulders and knee. The Phra Mahathat Jedi is a 60-meter high pagoda housing a fragment of the Buddha's own bone. You can see multiple golden statues of Buddha in different poses, each symbolizing various teachings and moments from his life's journey. If you're visiting between late January and mid-February, don't miss the annual temple fair held here. It's the biggest celebration featuring food stalls, local shopping, adventure rides, and light displays that bring the entire area to life. From the temple staircase, you can spot the iconic Big Buddha statue in the distance, perched high on top of a hill. We took a taxi to Phuket Old Town and wow, it was love at first sight. Phuket Old Town is a stunning place filled with colorful Sino Portuguese buildings that beautifully blend Chinese and European styles. Every corner is picture perfect, ideal for those Instagram worthy shots. These buildings date back to the 1800s and early 1900s, a time when Phuket thrived as a bustling trading hub. With their arched windows, intricate details, and vibrant colors, the architecture brings so much life and character to the streets. Many of these heritage structures have been transformed into cozy cafes, boutiques, and art galleries, giving the town a totally unique vibe. We stopped by Endless Summer, a cute boutique with a cafe inside. Then we went to Thaiwa Cafe, set inside a nearly 100-year-old building, beautifully restored into a cafe. From their menu, we tried the Kopi Cham, a local coffee mixed with tea blend that had such a unique and rich flavor. We absolutely loved it. I highly recommend giving it a try, along with their Thai tea. If you're looking for the perfect souvenir for family and friends, Phuket Old Town is the place to be. It's packed with charming shops offering unique gifts, local crafts, and keepsakes that make thoughtful presents for your loved ones. This is the Soi Romanee street, named as one of the most beautiful streets in the world. 20 years ago, it was a red light district, but soon people realized the potential of the Sino Portuguese architecture. They rebuilt their property into guest houses, boutiques, and cute cafes, which ended up making such a beautiful street. Today, the street is full of life, a vibrant, colorful spot that draws tourists all year round and beautifully blends history with charm. Right at the corner of Soi Romanee and Thalang Road is the Ongku Craft and Cafe. We stopped by a noodle restaurant for lunch. The tom yum soup there was next level. It was hands down the best tom yum I've ever had. So good, we ended up ordering a second bowl of the exact same thing. This is the Promthep Clock Tower, a colonial era police station which is still owned by the Thai Royal Police. No trip to Thailand is complete without diving into the local fruit scene. We treated ourselves to an incredible spread of tropical delights, from the rich and creamy durian to the sweet and tangy mangosteen, dragon fruit, and perfectly ripe mangoes that practically melted in our mouths. We went back to Patong by a shared van, also known as Songthos. They wait until they're full before departing, making them a budget friendly and popular option among locals and travelers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps support my channel.